So, hello everyone. My name is Shail Dikshit, and today I would like to share why I choose finance as my specialization in MBA. My academic journey has been always linked with commerce and numbers. I completed my class 12th with commerce and mathematics. I later pursued BCom honors in specialization financial market from Chandigarh University. Over these years, this foundation naturally shaped my interest in finance as a career path. But choosing finance in an MBA was not just an academic contribution, it was a conscious and a strategic decision for my future. My academic foundation. Coming from a commerce with a mathematics background, I developed strong analytical and numerical skills eagerly on. Subjects like accountancy, economics, business studies help me to understand how the business operates financially, how the company manages their sales, their profit, their losses, everything. During my BCom honors in a financial market, I just gain a deeper insights. For examples, stock market operations, Nifty 50, investment strategies, what are the risk management is, what is financial analysis, and somehow the market behavior of the companies of all the employees exist in the market or in the company. This practical understanding made me realize that finance is the core of every business decision. No company can grow without proper financial planning and strategy. No company can start without finance. No company can grow without financial planning. So, there are the three main reasons why I choose finance. So, my first reason is that finance is a backbone of an organization. From startup to multinational companies, every business depend on the financial planning, budgeting and investment decision. I want to be the part of the decision making process where the strategies are formed based on the financial insights. Second, I just choose finance because finance requires a logical thinking, somehow the data interpretation also, the sales data of the previous years or the current year, what was the sales was going on, strategic planning. I enjoy working with the numbers. From my class 10th also, I have a deeply interest in the mathematics. I have that curiosity. The curiosity has been generated in me in class 12 that how the business runs, if the business is running, how they gonna be managing their profit, how do they manage their losses, what are their plans so they can also somehow they can, if they face loss, they can also be profitable. So what the challenges, what the things they are doing to get a profit or to meet the market trend. So I have that curiosity to know these things. Like I personally, my father have a business, so I just also want to know that, like, he's a government employee somehow, not a government, he's a contractor, so we have linked with the government also. So in that also I have just wanted to know that how my father is going to be under profit by giving the salaries to the employees and by doing the constructions process also, and how my father get money from the government, how much they are paying for the constructions for highways, roads, etc. So I have that curiosity. So it challenges me intentionally and pushes me to think critically. So because of that, MBA in finance will enhance my ability to analyze the financial statements, evaluate the investment opportunities, somehow manages the risks, make business decisions. This combination of analysis and strategies somehow attracts me the most. Because of my career growth also, I have just taken the finance because it offers the diverse and stable career opportunities, as I think, such as investment banking, corporate finance, financial consulting, portfolio management, risk advisory. It is a field that remains regardless of economic changes because financial management is essential in every situation. I just believe that finance provide both professional growth and long-term career stability. By I should choose because of that only I gonna choose the MBA in finance. First, to develop my leadership skills, my strategic thinking, decision making ability, business communication, interaction with the sponsors, real world problem solving mindset. It bridges the gap between the theory and the corporate practice. I want to upgrade myself from understanding markets to leading the financial decision. So if I gonna say about my what is my future goal or what is my future vision by taking the MBA, so I just want to say that my long term goal is to build a strong career in a financial sector where I can contribute to the business growth as well as through smart financial planning and strategic investment. I aim to constantly learn, adapt to the market changes, market trends, and develop expertise in the financial management. For me, finance is not just about managing money, it's about managing the risk, growth, and the future of an organization. So, I want to conclude by saying that I choose finance in MBA because it aligns perfectly with my academic background, as I mentioned in my introduction point, my analytical strength, my long term career vision. It is a field that challenges me, motivates me, and prepares me for the leadership role in the corporate world. So, because of that only, I choose the finance in MBA as my specialization. So, thank you.